Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at the James Club at 239 James Street East, Unit 102. This lovely one-bedroom condo, 2 baths, has many upgrades. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll view the very spacious dining room that's open to the kitchen. The gourmet kitchen has granite countertops, backsplash, under-counter lighting, and pull-out drawers. The living room has large windows that was designed as a bedroom and can easily be converted back to a bedroom. There's a 4-piece bath that has an accessible walk-in tub. The primary bedroom is very cheerful, and it has a 3-piece ensuite with an accessible shower. A great feature is the in-suite laundry. An additional great feature is the common room. On the outside of the building, there's lots of parking available.